In this video, we will talk about SQL Where Clause. So Where Clause is used to fetch database table records according to conditions. So here we have the employees table. Okay, let's say I only want to select those records from this database table which has the gender as M. Okay, I want to fetch all of the male employees records. Okay, so what can I do is, in that case I can use the SQL Where Clause. So I'll go to SQL, and here I will select all of the columns. For that I'll write select star from employees, and here as you can see, by default we have where1, always where1. Okay, I'll tell you about this later. And here currently we will just write where. Here I will write where gender is equal to, and then within inverted commas, within single inverted commas, I write M. Okay, here you can see the query, select all from employees where gender equals to M. So here we are basically telling that we want to fetch all of the employees where the value for the gender column is M. Okay, then I will run the query go, and now you can see there is a dark line around this column gender. So it just specifies, our condition that here the gender is as what we have written in the where statement clause, as you can see. And now the records are around 179,000. So there are 179,973 male employees in the entire database table. So here we have only selected those using the where condition. Similarly, we can apply the where condition for other columns as well as for multiple columns. So I'll just give you one more example. So here I will just click on this edit button to edit the existing SQL query. Okay, so here I'll just modify this as where employee underscore number is greater than 1200. Okay, so here I'm just specifying that I want the value of the employee number field to be greater than 12,000. Okay, so I'll just click on the go button, and now you can see only those employees are fetched for which the value of employee underscore number column is greater than 12000. So this is 12001, right? This is obviously greater than 12,000. Now just see carefully, here I have used a operator, that is a greater than symbol sign. Okay, so this is like programming languages. Okay, here we have the where clause and then we have the condition. You might be knowing that condition should give a boolean result. Okay, so if employee number is greater than 12,000, it will give a boolean result true, and that we feed into the where clause. So if I simply write true here, so you will see it gives us the entire table where true. Okay, so here the condition result we are specifying manually in the where clause where true, so it will fetch all of the records. Okay, whenever you open the SQL editor by default, you will see this statement, select star from the table name and then where1. So here 1 simply means true, and hence it is supposed to fetch all of the records from the database table. And if I specify the condition where as false, you will see it will fetch no record. Okay, that's why you have to specify conditions here. Okay, you can also fetch a particular record, a single record, using the where statement as well. For example, I want to select a particular employee which has the employee number 12,005. Okay, I'll just run this one. And one thing to notice is that here we are not using any inverted commas, although you can use, but it is not required for the numerical fields. Okay, so just keep in mind that inverted commas are only required for the textual fields. Okay, so if the field is textual, you must use the inverted commas, and if the field is a numerical field, you need not to use any inverted commas. Okay, so now you can see only one record is fetched from the entire table for which the employee number is what we have provided in the where clause. Okay, you can also select a particular column as well. Like here I'm just fetching the first name and last name from the employees for the employee with the employee number 12005. Okay, so this all you can do. So there are a number of operators that you can use. You can use a equal to operator, you can use a greater than operator, you can use a less than operator, you can use greater than equal to operator, you can use less than equal to operator. Okay, you can also use the not equal to operator. So not equal to operator is not this, not equal to operator in SQL is this. Okay, this one. So it will select all of the records except the record where the employee number is 12005. There are more operators like between, like, and end that we will come to know as we proceed in this course. So that's all about the where clause.